See, these things don't hurt you in this one. They do in Call of Pripyat. What's this thing? Mama's beads. Fuck up. Nice 100 beads. 500 plus 400 health. One more bullet cap. Like I didn't dawdle any further, I would have been dead from radiation poisoning and I would have been like, what the fuck? Okay. Right, it's just there. Wish I could show you guys this place properly. I mean, it gets really freaky. I'm going to take my night vision off now. I'm going to go around like this. I think I'll probably not run into anything now though anyway. But yeah, this place can get quite freaky. When you run into those, what, 3 Psuedo Dogs replicate themselves? And they're just pockets of radiation everywhere. I'm hungry. Oh, crap it. We walked all this way. We got to go all the way down to the road anyway. Oh look, dead scientist. Haha, you suck. We win. No, we don't. There's a way through here. Whoa, 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 whoa. Sons of bitches. Light off. Not bitch. Okay, I'm not entirely sure. There it is. Okay, I'm not entirely sure where the bullet crosshair was. That sorted them out, didn't it? Told them who was boss. What a psycho weirdo would, you know, see his mate fall and then carry on walking in the same direction. There's one more somewhere. I see einmal bitte. So we're going to take it sneaky. Screw sneaky is too slow. Get out of here. Although they might have some decent. And then again, the other one might be around here somewhere. Monolith. Shows that, isn't it? They can walk through it, no problem at all. We walk through it, and we get fucking bombarded with radiation. What's so great about the Monolith suits? I've just seen it. Oh, it is it? I thought it was a fucking thingy on the wall. Broken bit on the wall, you know what I mean? It's way up there. So we're going to have to go around. Probably against more Monolith. Right, it's up there we want to go. Fuck off, computer. You're not funny anymore. Yeah, gross. Wait a minute. I remember this. I think this is where the Brain Scorcher starts hurting us. The screen is getting a bit weird. Oh, yeah. So anyway, I was going to do a sneak preview of son of a bitch! I was going to do a sneak preview of Metro 2033 for you guys the other yesterday, I think it was. But I downloaded it. I installed it, and it didn't work. So I had to jump on the Steam forum, see if anyone else is having problems. But it just turns out it was a bad download, so I've had to redo it. I can't see anything anymore because the wind's blowing my sun blocker out. So give me a second. I'm just going to have to go and adjust it. Hey everybody, and we're back. And I still can't see football. But I'm hardcore. I can way to where we need to be so that we can be free, or rather get to Pripyat. Find out what the hell is going on in this mad ass joint. I think I need to keep the screen more than anything. Haha, never mind. Sometimes if you can nothing about unfortunately, I am not. However, I am perfectly in headshots. Most of the time. Some of the time. All of the time. We'll nick you,